Good afternoon. My name is Fernando Dubovia. I'm an immigration attorney. Today is Thursday, June 18th, and I want to talk to you briefly about the Supreme Court decision that reinstated the DACA program for DREAMERS. The Supreme Court found today the Department of Homeland Security acted arbitrarily and capriciously in terminating the DACA program that gave over 700,000 men and women temporary protective status in the United States and employment authorization, the right to work, get a driver's license, and live legally, at least temporarily, in the United States. The Supreme Court found that the Department of Homeland Security acted arbitrarily and capriciously in terminating the program. The question now is, what is the next step? For those of you who had DACA and have been renewing it during the pending litigation, you just keep doing what you have been doing. Renew your DACA if you haven't done so. The big opportunity are for the thousands of persons who became eligible for DACA after 2017 but have been stopped from filing for their first-time DACA application because of the DHS decision. As a result of this ruling, persons who are eligible for DACA who have not been able to file for DACA can now file for DACA, and it's encouraged to file your application as quickly as possible. In fact, the National Immigrant Law Center, one of the agencies that led the federal lawsuit, issued a press release yesterday after their Supreme Court decision, and in that press release, they said, today's decision returns DACA to its initial form and reopens the DACA program to new applicants. All eligible individuals are encouraged to apply for and renew their DACA immediately. So if you're one of the thousands of persons who became eligible for the DACA in the last 2 or 3 years, and have been wanting to file your application but couldn't do so because of the Department of Homeland Security termination of the program, now is your chance. It is great after 3 years to be finally getting some good news, and this is great news. But it doesn't mean anything if we don't take advantage of it. So, if you have been waiting for years to apply for DACA and have had the door closed because of the DHS position, the Supreme Court yesterday opened that door. And I encourage you to act quickly and consult an attorney or a nonprofit organization in getting your DACA application filed as soon as possible. My name is Fernando Dubovia. For over 20 years, we've been doing immigration cases. If you have any questions about DACA, the Supreme Court ruling, or any other immigration issues, contact our office. We are here to serve you. And look us up on Facebook. Thanks. Good luck. Congratulations. It's great to finally have some good news.